So this is the parallelogram. The formula for area is area equals base times height. We know the base, call it 14. We don't know the height, so the top is 14, the bottom has to be 14 as well. Big mistake people make is they say 7 is the height. 7 is not perpendicular to 14, so 7 will not be the height. So remember, going from the hypotenuse back to the leg, because we're going from a 45, 45, 90 triangle, hypotenuse back to the leg, we have to divide by root 2. Leg to hypotenuse, we multiply by root 2. Hypotenuse back to leg, we divide by root 2. So this is a little tricky. Take 7 divided by root 2. We need to rationalize this. So you get 7 root 2 over 2 as the height, or you can leave it as 3.5 root 2. Either one's fine. We'll probably put the answer as a fraction, but if you want to use decimal, you can. All right.